I am showing you how to enable bypass permissions mode in Claude Code, so you can stop clicking through endless confirmation prompts and get your work done faster. This specific mode streamlines your workflow by letting Claude proceed with file edits and terminal actions without asking for your approval every single time, which is great when you trust your workspace and want to keep your momentum going. Start by opening Visual Studio Code and bringing up the Claude Code interface on your machine. If you do not already see it, look for the Claude icon in the sidebar to open its specific panel. Once you are in Claude Code, find the Settings icon. It is typically a small gear, often located in the lower corner or near the panel header. Click that gear and choose Settings to open the configuration view where all the internal options live. In the Settings panel, use the search field or scroll until you find the option labeled Allow Bypass Permission Mode. This is the key setting that lets Claude move forward with edits and operations without asking for your approval each time. Enable it by checking the box or flipping the toggle. When you do this, you are basically telling the tool that you trust this environment, and it can go ahead without extra prompts. However, that goes both ways. While you gain speed, you lose a layer of manual oversight. That is why it is best to turn this on only in folders and projects you recognize and control entirely. Once that is done, close the Settings panel to lock in the change. The important thing is to restart Claude Code next, so the setting fully takes effect. A quick restart refreshes the extension state and ensures the new permission mode is honored the next time the AI wants to make changes to your files. After the restart, return to the Claude Code panel and look toward the bottom for an option called Ask Before Edits. This control governs whether Claude pauses to request confirmation each time it proposes a change. Click that area to open its choices and then select Bypass Permission. With this selection, you are finally aligning the panel's behavior with the global setting you just enabled. From here on, Claude can apply changes without interrupting you. If you ever prefer more guardrails, you can return here and switch it back off. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.